Oh, cheers! Merry Christmas! I'm gonna have a room tour. Okay? Malapit nang magpasko. 3 hours na lang dito sa France. It's Christmas time, so we're also gonna have our Christmas dinner tonight. And of course, we have there the beauty. I mean, alright. So this is the beauty shot of our hotel. Okay. But if you go to the Philippines, our treat, your hotel, your tour, we promise. Yes, magnific, messy. More food for our Noche Buena. Ang sarap nitong macaroons na strawberry. My gosh, best buy. Travel ng travel. Pero dapat,
lang, pero you just spend within your means.
and dapat may ipon.
At dapat may
May ipon.
Hindi pwede yung itinodo mo na lahat sa kata-travel mo at the end of the day.
Wala kang ipon.
Wala pala kayong huhugutin.
Claude, Merry Christmas! Manonood na kami ng Sabrina. Guys, Merry Christmas. Ang happy na nakaspend tayo ng Christmas dito sa France. Cheers to making our dreams into reality. Walang magbabagong taon sa pamilyang ito. Alam yung line na yun ni Maricel Soriano. Ayan, nandito tayo ngayon. Panibagong hotel tour na naman ang aabangan nyo sa akin. So ngayon tayo po ay nasa France, Avignon. Paano? Avignon? Avenue? Dili ko nga Avenue eh. Basta Avignon ang spelling. Dito sa France. And we are in the Ibis Hotel or Ibis. Whatever, however you pronounce it. IBIS. Ibis Hotel. Maraming ganito sa France. Okay? And this is the inside. Ay wait, bago tayo mag-tour. Introduce ko sa sarili ko. I am Dave and I am the Kuripot Traveler on Facebook. And I am so happy. And I am so happy to be here in Europe, guys. I'm gonna have a room tour. Okay? You can subscribe to my channel and follow my Facebook page, the Kuripot Traveler on Facebook. Okay? Okay, dami kong sinabi. Ayan, pasok na tayo. So this is our room. This is the door. And this is the toilet. There's a toilet bowl. Ayan. Separate ang toilet bowl sa shower room na may bathtub. Dito, pwedeng lagayin ng things. And then we have here another lagayin ng things. And of course, the hangers. And oh, ang ganda nito. Anong tawag dito na chair? Chair bang tawag dito? Baka may formal tawag pa yan.
Meron, pero I forgot.
Okay, ayan, mata. May mata. And then, gamitin natin to. And then, we have the bathroom. We have there the... ano yun? Machika? And we have here the bathtub, the shower. Yeah, we can shower tonight. And then, ang arte. And the sink. And of course, the blower. We have there the soap, the tissue, the trash can, the towels. Okay? And guys, malapit nang magpasko. 3 hours na lang dito sa France. It's Christmas time, so we're also gonna have our Christmas dinner tonight. Okay, we'll also have our Christmas dinner tonight with our Filipino family here in France. Yes, I call them family. We have the television, the table, the telephone, and this is our access card for us to access this room. And of course, we have there the beauty. I mean, and grabe, baka gamit ni Claude. Sis, kailangan mo na mag-transfer. Yes, let's do it later. And we have there the light, the ambient lights. And then we have here double beds. I know, this is not double beds. These are 2 single beds. And then we have here the table. Art ba to na hindi siya naka-straighten? And then we have this, the lamp. And then we are on the first floor. So you can see our bus there outside. So again, it's Christmas time. So people are not outside. Okay? Okay, ba't tayo nag-i-English? And there's a couch here, a sofa. Sofa. Say it again. Sofa. Sofa. And there another lump. Okay, so just a beauty shot of our hotel. I'm gonna do it 0.5. All right, so this is the beauty shot of our hotel. Okay. Ng hallway, guys. Super nice ng hallway. Super art. Go, Clyde. Open the door. Let's go. Welcome to Narnia. Narnia yarn. I love. Ay, dito may mga booklet. Siya too. May mga booklet. Ala, hindi ako nakabilang ref magnet for France. Ang laki na ng nagastos ko for souvenir from France. Nasa 50 euro na. Mga 6,000 yun. We're here. Ay, tayo nauna. First time, for the first time ever. So we're, true. Nakakatamad na mag-post. So we're in the dining area. Here in Ibis. And my gosh, ang gwapo ng waiter. Ayun, ang cute niya. Hindi ata siyang nakasign sa atin. Si Tita ng content fries. Wow. Claude ordered steak.
My hand is clean. I just wash
Tita
my hand.
ordered steak as well.
Oh, yeah, for the steak.
Here are my titas. In France and Tito.
Babe, you want try?
It's okay, I'm full.
Masarap.
Masarap. Nakailang fries na tayo.
No, masarap siya.
Sige, I'll get one later.
Pag nasa Europe ka talaga,
Full na ako talaga.
French fries.
Grabe.
kahit sa Amsterdam, sarap.
So this our Noche Buena. Merry Christmas in 2 hours. Pero Christmas na sa Philippines. More food for our Noche Buena. Noche Buena package. I love.
Can I have
Ay, may rice sila.
yeah.
Wow.
Can I have
Maraming ganyan sa Pilipinas eh. Yung rice.
and balsamic vinegar?
Ang sarap ng macarons. My gosh. French macarons.
Picture tayo.
What's the big deal tomorrow? Oh, of course. Friends, pwede meron ako sandali.
Our Noche Buena. Our Noche Buena dinner. Mr. Pogi. Hello.
Can we stay here until 11, but the restaurants will close at 10, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but if we order, can we stay a little longer, or we have to leave by 10 o'clock? Almost 10. You know what I'm saying? The restaurant will close at 10, right?
Yes. At 10.
Your father is Angelo?
Yoni. Y-O-N-I.
Yoni.
And I.
Yoni.
Yoni.
Yes.
May we get your Instagram? Charot. Nice to meet you, Yoni.
So after your work,
Nice to meet you, Yoni.
join us? I don't know.
After?
Yeah. Oh, you go, it's Christmas.
Yes.
Oh.
I join my family.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You're hardworking.
Yeah.
You have kids?
Kids? No.
Single?
Yes.
Oh,
very
single.
good.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We're single as well.
It's legal.
How old are you?
What's this thing?
22?
22.
Oh, baby boy.
Very young.
I have time.
Ah, yeah.
Okay.
We're in our 20s as well.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
We love you. You're so good.
Yoni, Merry Christmas! Yoni, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Pogi! Nakakaloka! Di ko kinaya. Merry Christmas, Claude! Merry Christmas to myself.
Merry Christmas to us.
Tita, Merry Christmas! Merry
Merry
Christmas! Yes, may appearance ako sa vlog.
Yung Christmas vlog.
Mga 4 na yung na-upload ko.
Oh, wow.
Netherlands, 2 Belgium.
Nakita ko yung Very good.
Sipag eh. Ayan. Christmas time. Ang sarap itong macaroons na strawberry. My gosh, Best Buy. Best Buy in McDo.
Malapit siya sa
Hanoi.
Sa Hanoi.
Parang
Yung Bana Hills.
3 hours.
Insert ko sa McDo vlog ko.
Saka yung
Ito ko lang
Hanoi.
nakain. Cheers! Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Ano pa, tita? Ano pang masashare ninyo?
Yun lang, ikaw.
Ay, ikaw naman na.
Share ko, always hard work. Walang nothing beats hard work.
Hard work.
Nothing beats hard work. Kahit anong gawin.
Ang drive ko kasi, Brian, meron kasi akong responsibility. Kaya yung drug ko. Pero because of that experience, meron ako.
Heart to heart talk
Nakita
with
ko
the
talaga yung
tito and
mga
titas.
young people ngayon, ibang-iba talaga sila. Which is I'm very impressed. Talagang nag-out yung mga talents ninyo.
Oo.
You know what I mean? Because of the internet, I guess.
Because of the internet.
Mahal ko kayo.
Mahal ko kayo, correct. Merry Christmas, mahal ko kayo.
Oh yeah.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Mahal ko
kayo.
Ah,
Merry Christmas! I love you all.
Okay.
our friends will love it. Merry Christmas, Rico.
Mahal ko kayo!
Mahal ko, Merry Christmas, mahal.
Yes, ang bilis lang pala ng mahal ko kayo. Merry Christmas!
Oh, there you go. Ngayon ka lang, hindi kasama sa pictorial.
Tita, anong mo, advice? Travel ng travel. Pero dapat,
lang. Pero, you just, spend din yun.
and dapat may ipon.
At dapat
May ipon.
Hindi pwede yung itinodo mo na lahat sa kata-travel mo at the end of the day.
Wala kang ipon.
Wala pala kayong huhugutin.
Tapos mangutang.
Tama yun.
Hindi rin tama.
Thank you, thank you.
Kailangan ay balance.
Yan ang tanging advice na sa aming dalawa.
De acuerdo.
De acuerdo.
De acuerdo. De
Spanish
acuerdo.
ka?
I agree. In Spanish, de acuerdo is I agree.
De acuerdo, I agree.
Yeah. De
Alright,
acuerdo.
thank you. May napulot tayo dito, may napupulot.
Noted.
Noted.
Sa para bukas.
Yeah, you can come to the Philippines Uni. Contact us on Instagram.
Go out with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, for example, if you
You go to the Philippines, you
How
can
many
stay in my
times
house.
to the trip?
we rode Saudia, so we stopped at Jeddah Airport, and
Okay.
then next is Amsterdam.
Okay.
But if you go to the Philippines, our treat, your hotel, your tour, we promise. Yeah. Okay. Magnifique. Magnifique. Merci. Merci. Grazie.
This one, I'll just get water.
One finger heart again. And Merry Christmas, mahal ko kayo.
Merry Christmas, mahal ko kayo.
Thank you. You're such a sport. Thank you, Yoni. Bye-bye. May bilyaran pala dito.
Feel good na kami.
Feel good.
Good night, mga anak.
Good night. Our heart is full. Charot. Our heart is full. Ay, oo, manonood kami ng Sabrina tonight para feel na feel namin ng Paris tomorrow. Sabrina ni Audrey Hepburn. Kasi,
My favorite Audrey Hepburn.
sa piano bar, yun yung tinutugtog nila, La Vie en Rose. So, ang ganda, super surreal, La Vie en Rose in Paris. Parang, oh my gosh. Bukas, opo.
Tayo, sige.
Sige, let's go. Thank you. I'm so excited tomorrow evening. Claude, Merry Christmas! Oh my gosh, this is the first time na nag-Christmas tayo overseas. Yes. And, ayan. Manonood na kami ng Sabrina. Okay. Kasi tomorrow, nasa France tayo ngayon. Tomorrow, we'll be back in, later, alas 12 na, Christmas na. We'll be back in Paris. For sure, kakantahin na naman yung La Vie en Rose para ma-inspire tayo for tonight's video. Guys, Merry Christmas! Ang happy nakaspend tayo ng Christmas dito sa France. Kanina nag-video call kami with our families. Ngayon, it's our... Tulog pa siguro sila kasi nauna yung Pilipinas ng 7 hours. So ngayon, kami naman yung nag-Noche Buena kanina and manonood nitong film to spend our Christmas day.
Because we love Audrey Hepburn.
To spend the start of the Christmas. So guys, ayun, cheers to making our dreams into reality. Okay?
Game.
Good morning, bonjour, Merry Christmas guys. It's already Christmas here in Europe, here in France specifically, and now we're having our Christmas breakfast. Of course, we have crepe, we have chocolate, we have jam for the crepe, egg, croissant. Yun, tapos ham. Yun lang, ganun lang ka-easy. Kain. Alright, so we're on the road. We're traveling to Paris today. So, darating kami ng Paris mga 7. Around, ilang oras ba yun? Alas 8 kami umalis. Pero we'll have our lunch in Burgundy, na famous for wines. So, I hope you're having a Merry Christmas with your friends and family. Kagabi we spent it with our titas and tito na kasama dito sa Europe. And sana na-enjoy nyo din yung hotel tour. Nice yung hotel, no? Simple lang. Para sa kanila hindi to social, pero okay na to sa akin. Isa na to sa mga pinakamagandang hotel na na-stayan ko as a budget traveler, di ba? Na nagsesettle lang sa mga guest house, ganyan, hostels. This one is really nice. So, ayan, ma-fog sa labas kasi masyadong malamig. Around 7 degrees Celsius. Grabe. So, yung sinot natin yung pinakamakapal. So, thank you so much guys for watching. Merry Christmas again. I hope all our wishes come true. Bye! Wait, please do subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell. And baka naman yung thanks button sa baba. Diba? Pang pocket money din natin yan. Just, or pambalik sa Europe. Sige guys, bye-bye. Annyeong. Merci beaucoup. Oh my gosh, Navier Rose in Paris. Surreal.
It's much expensive.
I think for
Nanonood pa lang tayo sa Sabrina kagabi.
yeah.